iPECS 1 Chrome Contacts Overview. This is an overview of the Contacts section of iPECS 1. There are different ways to view or search for your contacts within iPECS 1 and iPECS Cloud. The first way to view contacts is through your organisation. Here you can see your colleagues. If someone is available to call, they will be marked with a green dot. Contacts who are busy or in another call are marked with a red dot. You can highlight over a contact to see their contact card, displaying more of their details, for example their extension number, telephone number and email address, as well as their job title and department. From this screen you can initiate a video call, audio call, message or email. For more information you can also view their contact card. To search for a contact in your organisation, use the search bar at the top of the screen. For example, we will search for Ed, and we can see that his contact has appeared here. The other section you can use is your favourites. You can choose your own favourites from within your organisation or your own contacts. From the Favourites screen, you have the same options as before, allowing you to make video or audio calls as well as sending messages or emails. From the Favourites screen, you can also remove contacts from your favourites, move them to another group or delete them from your contacts altogether. From the Contacts menu, you can create a new group by selecting Add a New Group. Enter a name for the group and click OK to create the group. Within this group, you can select to add new users by searching your contacts, selecting and clicking OK. To add a personal contact to the group, click Add New User and enter in the contact details of the new user. For example, an email address or mobile number. Now that this user has been added, we have exactly the same call options available to us.